Peppers and egg sandwich. The boss of Boss's breakfast. The last meal the head of the Chicago outfit, Momo, was cooking right before the lights went out forever for him. Yeah, it's that good. So good you'd want it to be your last meal too. Today, Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to the best breakfast sandwich every wise guy loves. So share, subscribe, and hit that bell, or it just might be lights out for you too. Now let's get cooking.
Alright, are you ready to make the best Italian breakfast sandwich? Way better than that New York bacon, egg, and cheese thing that's so popular. This is the wise guy breakfast sandwich. 2 bell peppers. Cut down the sides, and then slice those julienne style. And we'll get them all sliced up. We'll put them into our pan, a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to saute these peppers down until they're nice and tender. While I'm doing that, please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the show. New video every Sunday and Wednesday. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. And if you can hype, I'd appreciate a hype. And I'd also appreciate a comment. Tell me where you're watching this video from. I'd like to know. Alright, so we got these sauteing up. Next, we got to get our eggs ready. 4 or 5 eggs. We're just going to crack into a bowl. Just like so. Then we'll get our fork in there. And we'll whisk these up real good. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to them. Just like that. Then we'll go back. We'll check on our peppers, see how they're doing. You're going to need 1 nice loaf of Italian bread. So let's get these whipped up. Let's go check on our peppers. I think they're going to be looking pretty perfect. Yep. Those are looking good. That's what we want right there. Just like that. Nice, tender, not overcooked. Perfect. So we'll set those aside. Now we're going to get our Italian loaf out. And we're going to cut that in half. Just like that. And we'll take out some of that bread in the middle that we don't need. And we want extra room for our eggs, peppers, and giardiniera. So there we go, like a little pocket. Now we're going to throw a knob of butter into our pan. Turn the heat on medium. And once that butter melts down, we're going to add our eggs. Turn the heat down to medium-low. And then slowly work these eggs until they're nice and creamy and scrambled perfectly. We've already seasoned them, so we don't have to worry about that. So just work the edges into the middle, work the edges into the middle. And once you're about 3/4 of the way down or done, just turn the heat off and you can finish them off with the heat of the pan. That's what I love about scrambled eggs. If you do it right, they're amazing. Just like that. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, so what we're going to do next is get some olive oil out. And the next thing you've got to have is a jar of giardiniera. Either hot or mild, it's up to you. You get that at the grocery store, any Italian deli, specialty shops, Trader Joe's. Just ask them if you don't know where to find it. It's usually in the condiment section next to the peppers and the pickles and all that. It's called giardiniera. It's an Italian relish is what it is. So, we're going to put some good amount of olive oil on our bread. That's going to kind of seal it up and keep anything from getting too wet. You want to come back with a little salt, a little pepper. There we go. Now we'll load up with the eggs. Just scoop those eggs right in that little pocket there that we made earlier. There we go. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now we're going to come back with the giardiniera. We're going to spread that across the other side. This is the key right here. Right there. Oh. There we go. Load it up. I'm using the hot because I like spice. You can use mild, but you got to have giardiniera to make this sandwich what it is. Then we're going to come back with our bell peppers. And just put a good amount of bell peppers on there. And the secret, once we get the peppers on there, we're going to roll this up in aluminum foil and just let it sit for a minute or two. And that's going to hold everything together when you unroll it, so you don't have a mess when you take a bite. All right? Hey, make this eggs and pepper sandwich. You be part of the crew. Everybody's going to love it. You're going to love it. It's the Italian breakfast sandwich, I'm telling you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peppers and eggs sandwich. The boss of boss's breakfast. The last meal the head of the Chicago outfit, Momo, was cooking right before the lights went out forever for him. Yeah, it's that good. So good you'd want it to be your last meal too. Today, Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to the best breakfast sandwich every wise guy loves. So like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell, or it just might be lights out for you too. Now let's get cooking. Take one large green bell pepper, slice it julienne style, and toss it into a pan over medium heat with some good olive oil, the kind Nana would use. Once those peppers are tender,